Choose a color for your bridesmaid dresses. A perfect wedding is every bride's dream. Whether you're organizing your wedding yourself, or if you have a wedding coordinator working for you, a lot of the details will still be left to the couple-to-be to decide on. One of these is the color scheme or theme. Your bridesmaid dresses should generally follow this color scheme. Still, you are free to choose the color for your bridesmaid dresses. Some couples even let the bridesmaid pick out a dress they like, regardless of whether it matches the rest of the entourage or not. Here are a few tips in choosing the color for your bridesmaid dresses. Choose a color you like. It's not just red, blue and yellow. There are a lot of intermediate colors, and even more variants in between. Go for a color that's light on your eyes, and something you would wear yourself. There's nothing worse than having your bridesmaid's dress in a color that's popular for weddings, but makes you dizzy. Consider the season your wedding will fall in. If it's a wedding in spring or summer, go for light colors or pastels. If your wedding will be held in the fall or winter, you can go for darker colors. Consider the time. During daytime, lighter colors work best. For a late afternoon or evening wedding, darker colors are preferred. Consider the dress code. Most weddings are formal, and in these events, darker colors will usually work best. If the wedding is casual, then you can go for lighter colors. Consider the venue. For garden weddings during fall, you can go for earth or neutral colors, like orange, brown, green, or red. This color scheme might not work if you will be wed inside a church, though. For a beach wedding, you can choose anything that goes with the color of sand, such as earth or neutral colors. You can also have your bridesmaids dress up in something that contrasts with the blue sea, like yellow or orange. Ask your bridesmaids for their color preference. If you already have a preferred color, ask for their feedback. You can adjust each one's dress according to their preference. You can lighten or darken their dress a bit. Bridesmaids don't necessarily have to have a single color and style of dress. Each one can have her individual dress style. Consider your bridesmaid's body type. Bright colors might not be too flattering on a heavy-set woman. Colors that are too dark might wash out the skin color of ladies with pale complexions. If you can't decide, you can go with the usual, safe, options. These include white, off-white, or cream. They might not necessarily make a statement from those colors, but they're traditional options that you can consider, if you don't want to be too troubled with choosing the perfect color and shade. Before you commit, ask your dressmaker to give you a sample of the fabrics he plans to use. Try to look at these together, and also together with the fabric of your gown, to see if they blend well.